Welcome to Bits Bytes. Today we will discuss about the another decision control statement that's mean switch case. It's differ from if else, but its working is similar like if else, nested if else statement. If in your program having lots of if else statement, rather than you use if else statement, you can use switch case, but it's having some limitation. So I told about the switch case today. First of all, I create the program file. Name is program.c. So first of all, we include the header file, standard input output, and if you work in if you work any other browser that do not use GCC compiler, so you include conio.h. Otherwise, it's not need in this code. Console input output header file is not needed in this program for creating this program. In this program, I take the value from the user and print corresponding day. Scanf is the command for scanning the value and or you taking the input from the user. So let's here define is the syntax of the switch. Case 1. You can use multiple cases with same case number, but it's like a multiple cases will be executed. In switch having one drawback, that is that problem is known as race around condition. In race around condition, multiple cases will be executed with different case number. Those case numbers are different, but it will it will printed the data, or it will be execute our data, or execute our instruction set of instruction written inside that case. So it's a drawback of the switch. And switch case having another drawback, that is it when compiler, if user entered like 7, so compiler checks each and every cases one by one, and if any case will be matched, then that case will be proved. It takes some time, so it increase the time complexity. In simple words, it increase the time, it consume the time of the processing, but the time is microseconds or lesser than, so it cannot be seen that times consumption. And in switch having one another case, special case is default. If user entered any another value is not match is mismatched with every case, mismatched with every case, then the default will be provoked, or default will be executed and print our data, like invalid choice, or you can say invalid operation you perform. Now here is choice, invalid choice. That's all. Our program is completed. So first of all, I am already talking about the race round condition. I show you what is race round condition over here. And now I show you I totally say that it's not needed. So GCC compiler not need that file. So it gives an error. Like I put 3. So you see that Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and invite choice. Option third will be executed. Started position is third case, and after third case, all cases will be executed. All cases over here, the all cases executed. But this is all about the race round condition. If your user entered 5, then Thursday, Friday, Saturday invalid choice will be printed. But if you the solution is another decision control statement, that is break statement. Used for after each and every case. I show you what is the syntax of break statement. Just simply write break over here, so your code runs perfectly, but you not need to write break after the default, because default is the last. If you put default between the cases like that, I'll show you what happened. So default will be start execution, like case 1 and no error. Like I put 3, invalid choice, the default case will be executed, or I say 4, Wednesday will be printed, but default is also provoked in third case. It's correct, but if I write 0 Tuesday, if I write 0 Tuesday, if I write 65 Tuesday, the option will be correct. Default not provoke over here, but at the time in my graduation I write over here. So how faculty says that default is, you write default between, and default will be executed. Now you see that the default is not executed, so I not consider that statement. Now it's proved. It will be fine, working is fine. But what is the difference between if and switch? Switch can also work in character also. If is also work in character, but the switch is not working on range. if is working on range. Like if the value of I between 100 to 200, that's a range. 100 to 200. If the value lies between 100 to 200, like 150, 175, 145, it's a value, then do some task. It's a range. It's pro switch not working on that. And I entered user, so it's a character, not a number. So you can print your sky value too using printf or scanf statement. Sunday will print it like I not choose any value. But in characters you cannot enter. You cannot press enter. In integer you can press enter. It's also work on a string. It's also work on a string, but it's a different way. So it's all about the switch case. And thank you. If you like that video, please press the like button. If you are newcomer, or if you are supporting me, subscribe my channel too. And thank you guys. For watching my videos, and thank you for all your love and support, guys. Thank you very much. Now it's goodbye.